Irish traffic lights explained. A red light means stop and you must not proceed. At traffic lights, you must stop behind the very first white line. An amber light means you must stop if it's safe to do so, as the light is about to turn red. If the only way you can stop behind the first white line is by braking heavily, then it's safest to continue, and you should not stop. A flashing amber light is a pedestrian crossing. You can proceed if there is nobody crossing or looking to cross the road. A flashing amber arrow is the same as a yield or give way sign. You must give way to cars from the right, but can proceed if it's safe to do so. A green light will also be green for oncoming traffic. You have the priority to turn left and go straight, but can only turn right if there is a safe gap in the traffic. A green arrow is green, but only for the direction of the arrow. Here you can go straight, but still have a red for turning right, and must wait behind the first white line. If you have a green right filter arrow, the oncoming traffic will have a red light, so it is safe to turn right. If turning right and there is a filter arrow but it's not yet on, you can still turn on green as long as there is a safe gap in the traffic. You do not need to wait for the filter arrow to come on. Please like and subscribe to Pedestrian app on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook for more learning to drive videos. Download the Irish Test Routes app from Google Play Store and Apple Store for all the latest Irish driving test routes at all 56 Irish driving test centres.